welcome back to my channel. In this video I will be making clear lip gloss. I will show you what you will need. A lip gloss base. This is from, where is it from? TKB Trading. You're also going to need your oils of choice. I have coconut oil here, coconut oil, and I have vitamin E oil. I have a journal for my formulas. I'm going to write down the formulas. I'll be doing 3 different types today, but they're all going to be clear gloss, some glitter, like holographic. Clean my area, got my gloves on. Clean, sanitized mixing bowl, a syringe, a spoon for mixing, pipettes, and I have some little scissors here to cut the pipettes. I have my sanitized lip gloss tubes here. My scent, strawberry kiwi. Let's get started. First, we're just gonna take lip gloss base. For like half a bowl, not a half, just about that much. I would say like half a cup. Next we're gonna add the oil, so I'm gonna use this little spoon here to do the measuring. I'm gonna shake up the oil too. This is the coconut oil, the liquid version. So I'm gonna put it, probably do 2 spoonfuls. I don't know, you can't really see it. Can you see it? Okay, there you go. So that's 1. And that's 2. Ooh. Messy already, but it's okay. We'll clean that up later. And you take your second oil of choice. You can use as many as oils you want. It's all trial and error. This is my first time making lip gloss. So, do 2 spoonfuls of this one too. Because this is going to be a clear gloss, so you want to use clear oils. 2 spoonfuls of each. Now we're going to start the mixing. Until you get the consistency that you want. It's still really thick, so I'm going to have to add some more oil. So I added 1 more of each. So that's a total of 3 spoonfuls of each oil that I have, just coconut and vitamin E. This seems like a pretty good. This is just my first time, so it's not too thin, not too thick. And now we're just gonna add the flavoring. Strawberry kiwi. Put a generous amount because I like the smell, and it's just a trial. So if it's too much, which I pretty much put like a spoonful of the scent. And then you give that a nice good stir. Keep an eye on the consistency. So I wrote down my little formula. My handwriting, it looks like chicken scratch. Grill me. But yeah. So this is the consistency right here. This is like, looks like a really good, just like by your eyes, how you can tell. You get your syringe ready. And your pipette. Everything's clean and sanitized before I use it. I'm going to do 2 of each different consistency. So I will be doing another one, but I'm going to add more oil to see which is a better formula. And then the last one is going to be with glitter. So they're all going to be clear in different formulas, but the last one's going to be with glitter. Now you're just going to fit this on here. So you're just going to cut it from right about there. You can hold it. I've seen people like tape it, but like I can just hold it. But then you want to remove this, and you want to scoop it into here. So I think someone taped it up. This is gonna be a mess. Yeah, I recommend like taping this part up right here. Kind of missed that step. Scoop it in. Oh, make it a mess. This consistency looks really good though. It smells so good. So messy. It's so messy, I'm trying to show it at the same time. Like halfway just to test it out and see if this works. Then you just insert it and you just like fill the tube up. press it down.
I think somebody's trying to set me up.
Okay, so I took as much of the pipette as I could. This is a whole mess, but it's fun. It's learning. So I filled up as much as I could in this because it was hard to do that. And I'm going to use this just to insert it and see how that works out. It's really thick formula. This is not the easiest thing to do, but it's a learning experience.
Sorry.
So these are the finished tubes. Clear lip gloss, strawberry kiwi, and we're gonna put the little topper on here. Just snap it in there. Little applicator, and then you can put the top one. And these I will be cleaning all the excess goo off, but these are my first rounds of lip gloss. The two finished glosses: strawberry kiwi, coconut oil, and vitamin E oil lip gloss. So this time we're gonna do 5 of each oil, 5 spoonfuls of each oil, and see if that gives us a better consistency. That's a good amount. So here we go. Now let's do our spoonfuls. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Get this stirred. This one's gonna be really, really thin. And just see if I like that consistency better than the thicker one. Just gonna keep stirring until I get the consistency I like, and I'll be right back. So this is a really thinner. This actually kind of looks kind of good. So this one might be better than the thicker one. So let me load those up in the tubes, then I'll be right back. This one is definitely easier to put into the syringe. So that's going good. See? I don't know if you can see. Look, a mess. I don't think it's full already. That was quick. That's already dripping out. Alright, get your empty tube. Alright. That was very satisfying. That was very easier to put in. This one looks more clearer. This one looks really foggy, so I think this one might be the better formula for me. Finished up these ones. These look really good. All right now. And then these are the first ones that we did. They're a little bit thicker. The next one's gonna be glitter. Okay, so we're gonna do the same formula. One, two, three, 4, 5. Ooh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we're gonna put a little bit of base in there because it is a little bit thin, too thin. So just like a little drop. Yeah, it's a little bit more better because it was way too runny. And then, let's see. This is the consistency. It's kind of runny, not too thick. Now that we've done that, we're going to add our saints. The other one we did not add a saint to. This is going to be the glitter one. And now time to add our glitter. Holographic. That's very pretty. I don't know if that's little or not, but well, it's still clear. You see it's still clear, but ooh, it's pretty. This is cute. Wow. That's really pretty. This is so cute. This is the consistency. Wow, yeah, this is a really good consistency. It's more like a gold. Here we go. Look how pretty it looks. We're gonna take our tubes. It's almost like a peach rose gold. It looks really pretty. Look at that. Clear gloss with some glitter. Very. All right now. Rose gold, a clear with gold glitter. So it kind of gives it like a tint. There's no color in it. Clear gloss with holographic gold glitter. Very pretty. Clear gloss, unscented. And then the clear gloss that's a little bit thicker and it is scented with strawberry kiwi. Thank you for watching my video. This is my first time making lip gloss. Alright, thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.
But I have bigger plans, couldn't take the time I can find it. But you ain't understand, you gotta leave for them to define you. Cause what could you demand when everybody out to define you? Without